share my strategy, how I price my product. So um, I always like to be kind of on the premium side of the things for the products that I launch. So for example, everyone selling for $20, I'll try to be the top one because I bring quality. So either by bundling or creating better offers and just having better premium products. That's my approach since the beginning. And when I launch a product, I just check the pricing of the competitors. Actually, that's on the research stage. I'm kind of, being aware what is the pricing that I want to know. Some people, some sellers, they bring products they don't really know before what is the price that they are going to sell or what is the price they need to be profitable from day one. And after that, I always try to maximize it. So I check the competitors, I check what is the current price in the market, and I try to really think and have a common sense. Okay, with my premium offer, what is the highest price that I can sell it? Because it's a business, I'm trying to maximize my profits. And then when I launch, I start not being too aggressive. I test the market. And again, it's very similar to the PPC structure. I try to be hands-on and adjust quickly at the beginning phase of the product launch. So I could start with $25 and then maybe I see I don't get any sales and I get a lot of clicks. I would reduce the price. I will play with it. I will adjust it. Or sometimes I see, okay, I'm having a good amount of sales and sales velocity. Let's increase the price. Let's test it out. My goal at the end of the day, every day, is to make sure that I sell at the highest price possible with keeping it in a balance of not hurting my sales velocity. So it's very dynamic to the competitors and how the market react to your offer. So you have to adjust. You have to see what people they buy it, they don't buy, and adjust accordingly.
Hey, it's Ria Mittal here. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to SellerApp's main YouTube channel where we upload all things Amazon and some how-to guides that will make sure that you're running on Amazon. You will not get this anywhere else. Until the next time, happy selling.